more than one FACEIT account on the same device, IP, or identity. This is common after creating a new account instead of using your old one, logging into a friend's account on your PC, using VPNs or shared networks, uni, gaming cafes, previous bans or deactivated accounts, phone ID verification linked to another account. How to fix it step by step. 1. Try logging into your original FACEIT account. If you ever made an account before, even years ago, use that instead of creating a new one. FACEIT strictly allows only one account per player. 2. Remove VPN and suspicious network. Turn off VPN. Use your home internet. Avoid shared Wi-Fi, hostels, cafes, universities. FACEIT anti-smurf detection flags VPN plus new accounts very fast. #3. Verify identity properly. If FACEIT asks for ID face verification, use the same real face, no filters. Good lighting, real ID, not edited or cropped. Don't retry too many times, can worsen the flag. 4. Contact FACEIT support, best solution. Go to /support.faceit.com. Submit a ticket, category account and verification, explain you are a single user, provide your FACEIT nickname, email, government ID if requested, screenshot of the error. Tell them clearly. Open quote, I only have one account. The system is incorrectly detecting multiple accounts. Close quote, their support can manually remove the flag if legit. #5, do not do this. Will make it worse. Creating another new account, using different emails repeatedly, using VPN to bypass, asking friends to verify for you. This can lead to a permanent ban on FACEIT. Quick question, important. Did you ever have an old FACEIT account before? Log into FACEIT from a gaming cafe shared PC? Use a VPN recently?